I'm Jim Crawford. Welcome to the Hip Quick Legal Tip. Today I want to talk about domestic violence in Maryland and what to expect if you are charged with a crime, a DV crime. There are basically two types of charges for domestic violence. First degree assault, which carries with it potentially 25 years in jail, and second degree assault, which is technically a misdemeanor. However, a conviction of either one of those charges could cause you major problems in your life. For example, if you're convicted of second degree assault, it has the potential to cause you not to be able to possess firearms. You're talking about potential probation issues, job issues, where you live issues, all kinds of problems, not to mention issues in the community. DV cases are a hot topic nowadays. 5 or 10 years ago, they weren't the same. The courts have actually hired a lot of clerks, judges, state's attorneys to prosecute people because this is a hot topic. Once you're accused of a domestic violence scenario, many things come into play. There are external groups such as the House of Ruth. There are groups within the courts that reach out, liaisons, reach out to try to help victims, and it causes major issues in marriages and in families. Here's an example. Many times, a husband and wife or just a boyfriend-girlfriend may get into an argument and there's some alcohol involved, nothing major, but it becomes a problem. Someone calls the police. It may not have been either one of you. The neighbor calls the police. The rule of thumb is, in Maryland, in most of the metropolitan counties, if the police come to your house, they're usually going to arrest someone, and they're going to try to find some way to do it. They won't admit that, the guidelines don't say that, but usually someone is being taken out of the home if they're being called for a domestic violence report. The issue now is, once you're locked up and you're charged, you're taken before a commissioner. A commissioner may approve or disapprove the bail. I know of many commissioners are being told that if you're being charged with a domestic violence situation, to not allow the person to get out right away and wait for the actual court review bail, which could be the next day or a couple days later, in order to get out. So it causes major issues. You then have to hire an attorney, and you have to go through the whole process. Be very careful. Okay, talk to your spouse, talk to your significant other about these situations. Once the police are called, it's usually out of your control. And of course, if you need a lawyer, call us. We'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.